Hello, my name is Mastering English Introductions. Hello and welcome. We're going to explore the essential skill of introducing oneself in English. Particularly, we'll focus on how to ask for someone's name and how to share your own. Let's dive into the world of English introductions. In English, we often begin conversations by asking someone's name. Here's the standard way. What's your name? This is the most common way to ask for someone's name. However, there are other phrases you can use to add variety. Could I ask your name? May I have your name? Remember, tone and context are key. Be sure to maintain a friendly and respectful tone when asking these questions. When you want to share your name, you can use these simple phrases. I'm your name. My name is your name. To make your introduction a bit more engaging, you might want to add a friendly sentence after giving your name. I'm your name. It's nice to meet you. My name is your name. I'm pleased to meet you. Always remember, when saying your name, speak clearly and at a moderate speed, so the other person can understand you well. Now, let's practice with a few role-play scenarios. You can practice these with a partner or on your own. Scenario 1. Person A. What's your name? Person B. I'm your name. Nice to meet you. Scenario 2. Person A. Could I ask your name? Person B. My name is your name. I'm pleased to meet you. Scenario 3. Person A. May I have your name? Person B. I'm your name. It's a pleasure to meet you. Practice makes perfect, so do these role plays as much as possible. And there you have it. You're now better equipped to introduce yourself and ask others for their names in English. Remember, practice is key. So keep using these phrases until they become second nature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.